Good morning. My name is Lina Grover from Nursing Department of RPIIT Karnal. Today's topic is depression. Definition of depression. Depression is a common mental disorder that presents with depressed mood, loss of interest, pleasure, feelings of guilt, low self-worth, disturbed sleep, appetite, low energy, and poor concentration. Prevalence of depression. Depression occurs in persons of all genders, ages, and backgrounds. There are some facts about depression. First one, it is common and affecting about 121 million people worldwide. It is among the leading causes of disability worldwide. It can be reliably diagnosed and treated in primary care. Fewer than 25% of those affected have access to effective treatments. Causes of depression. There are many causes of depression. First one, genetic or hereditary. Second, biological, biochemical, medication. Third, dietary. Fourth, environmental. Fifth, socio-cultural factors, situations, relationship, and personality. Now come to the sign and symptoms of depression. First, persistent sad, anxious, empty feelings. Second, feelings of hopelessness, pessimism. Third, feelings of guilt, worthlessness, helplessness, irritability, restlessness, loss of interest in activities or hobbies once pleasurable, including sex, fatigue, decreased energy, difficulty in concentrating and remembering details and also making decisions, insomnia, early morning wakefulness, excessive sleeping, overeating, loss of appetite, suicidal thoughts, suicidal attempts, pain, headache, cramps, digestive problem, which don't ease even with treatment. Now come to the diagnosis. There are three methods to diagnose the depression. First one, history collection. Second, mental status examination. Third, ICD-10 criteria. And the last one is management. There are two types of the management. First, medical management. In medical management, there are antidepressant drugs which are provided to treat the patient who have depression. Antidepressant primarily work on brain chemicals called neurotransmitters, especially serotonin and norepinephrine. Other antidepressant work on the neurotransmitter dopamine. There are three types of the antidepressant. First one, SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Example of SSRI, fluoxetine, sertraline, citalopram, paroxetine are some of the most commonly prescribed SSRI for depression. Second type of antidepressants are tricyclic antidepressant, which are older antidepressant and powerful too, but they are not used as much today because their potential side effects are more serious. Examples of tricyclic antidepressants are imipramine and nortriptyline. Third type of antidepressants are monoamine oxidase inhibitors, which are the oldest class of antidepressant medication. They can be especially effective in cases of atypical depression too. People who take these type of drugs must avoid certain food and beverages such as cheese and red wine because that contain a substance called tyramine. Second type of management is psychotherapy. In psychotherapy, there are two types of the therapies. First one, cognitive behavior therapy, which help people with depression restructure their negative thought patterns. Second, interpersonal therapy, which help people understand and work through troubled relationship that may cause their depression. Second type of therapies is electroconvulsive therapy for cases in which medication or psychotherapy doesn't help relieve a person treatment or resident depression. Electroconvulsive therapy may be useful. So this is all about depression. I hope you all understood the topic. Thank you.